In this video, we will learn how to use column start in Google Sheet. So let's start. Open your Google Sheet and select your column. So I just select here the full column. You can select here the full column, and you can select only one cell in this column. So I select here the one cell only. Okay. Then go to the data tab and click on the column start. So I just click on here, and you can see here the amount, name of column, okay, the heading name, and here you can see the diagram, the count and distribution. Okay, this is a column chart you can see here. So you can check here and analyze your chart, okay, with this column. Okay, then drag below, you can see the value and frequency. So value 11,050. When I keep cursor on the value, you can see on the data this value is highlighted. Okay, the frequency is 2, same as second value 11,400. Same value showing on data is highlighted, to frequency here showing. And total rows in this column 1000, empty cells 980, unique values 15, and sum is 2,27,250. Okay, and average is also mentioned, median, and minimum value, maximum value. Okay, so all details here showing with you. Analyze your full column here quickly basis. So this is a way you can use the column state, the option, column start option. Okay, so same as here the amount, column name, column heading is showing. If you want to change it, you can just click on this arrow. You can see now the customer column is selected. I just click second arrow. You can see a cost column is selected. Now you can analyze this column with the diagram, with the values, frequency, total rows, unique value, sum, average, median, and minimum value, maximum value. So this is a way you can quickly analyze here by using the column state. Okay, column state in Google Sheet. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.